Human life is given truly for one purpose, to lend a hand into materialistic and spiritual growth of this world of the Creator. पंडित श्री राम शर्मा आचार्य। मनुष्य जीवन तो विशुद्ध रूप से एक काम के लिए मिला है, सृष्टा के विश्व उद्यान का भौतिक पक्ष समुन्नत और आत्मिक पक्ष सुसंस्कृत बनाने में हाथ बटाने के लिए। बुक नेम: जीवन संपदा का स्वरूप और सदुपयोग, द फॉर्म एंड यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ द रिसोर्स ऑफ लाइफ। Do you sometimes find yourself asking fundamental questions like, what is the true purpose of human life? Why are human beings privileged as compared to other living beings? How can humans make sure that they are doing what they are supposed to do? We wander our entire life seeking answers to these. An experiment at University of Chicago. In one experiment carried out at the University of Chicago, participants received $5 every day for 5 days. They were required to spend the money on the exact same thing each time. The researchers randomly assigned participants to spend the money either on themselves or on someone else, such as leaving money in a tip jar at the same cafe or making an online donation to the same charity every day. The participants reflected on their spending experience and overall happiness at the end of each day. From a total of 96 participants, the data showed a clear pattern. Participants started off with similar levels of self-reported happiness, and those who spent money on themselves reported a steady decline in happiness over the 5 days. But the happiness did not seem to fade for those who gave their money to someone else. Reasons to read this book. If you are also one of those inquisitive souls who believe they are part of something larger but still feel alone, then this book is for you. A feeling of connectedness touches you now and then, but the fear of responsibility stops you. Read this book to strengthen your bond with the entire cosmos. You are well educated, well settled, fulfilling all materialistic needs, but yet feel emptiness inside? Then learn the difference between relative and genuine happiness from this book. The powerful yet natural self-centeredness has locked on like superglue on your heart, making you completely unaware of the genuine motive of human life. Then read this small 9 pages book to understand the essence of life. The book will not only give answers to all your questions, but will also guide you on a path of purposeful life, to receive divine grace and to experience the bliss of real happiness. Few excerpts from the book. If the dignity of human life is not understood, then it will be a curse, because as compared to other creatures, humans are found to be more sick, worried, anxious, and plagued with problems. They suffer at each step, and even in post-death life, they suffer the most. On the contrary, if one can understand that the supreme gift of God's wealth is available to him or her, with innumerable possibilities and countless glories associated with it, then the enthusiasm will have no limit. At the same time, it will also be realized that whereas it is a unique privilege to get such a big post, the burden of responsibilities associated with it is also no less. Human life is a gift of God. It is the personal responsibility of humans to make it meaningful, enjoyable, and successful. Human life is the most valuable asset of this world. It has only two purposes: the welfare of self and the world. Self-welfare is to attain the goal of wholeness by indulging in noble causes and attaining self-satisfaction, public respect, and divine grace. World welfare is to fulfill the will of God by helping achieve God's will, increase the possibilities and positive attributes all around. There are some fundamental questions which If those who think about making good use of their life's wealth include in their approach at the right time, then no one will fall under the overwhelming pressure which manifests itself in the name of system, worry, problem, etc. In fact, there is no difficulty in front of anyone for which they need to continue to stay in the state of misery and self torture while ignoring the inspiration of Mahakal, call of changing era and time, echoing in every nook and corner of the world. This is rather a time to etch their name in history in this unique time of transformation.